Hello everyone, welcome to Arty Shells. Today we'll learn to make peacock feather using quilling. With Chala Karao, let's begin. So the things you need are mentioned on the screen. You can take 4 to 5 different colors to make the top part of the peacock feather and divide it into 4 equal parts. Now take one part of each and stick it to each other. Turn it into a tight coil and put it into the circle template board of the size you want to make your peacock feather. Take a wide strip depending on the length you want to make your feather. Now we'll begin with its feather. So you can take 3 to 4 different colors of green strips or any color you wish to have. And then curl it up a bit for texture. Now take one strip of each and apply glue to the white part. Now apply glue to the white strip in small parts and stick the strips in the upward direction, just as shown. Stick a small amount of green strip so that the maximum part remains on the upper side. And do this for all the other strips. We are near to our completion of our half feather. So our half feather is ready. Now let's start with the other side. You can apply the same technique over here too. Apply the glue on the white strip and then stick the other green strips to it. A small tip. On the top you can stick 2 to 3 strips so that you get a proper texture of the leafy feather. So now our peacock feather will be ready. Take the slotted tool and give it a proper curl from the downside to look nice and smooth. So now our peacock feather is ready. You can see how beautiful it looks. I'll show you one more feather with the same technique. Here is another feather using same amount of strips with a slight curve. You can make any of the two and let me know which one you like in the comment section below. Thank you.